master tech that others can't teach.
Welcome to Ubalde Official. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create complete website and ePortfolio or electronic portfolio from scratch, even if you have zero coding knowledge. We will use Google Sites to design, publish, and host your website 100% for free. No payment for hosting fees, no technical stress. By the end of this video, you will have your own professional website online like this. Have our core services as menu, search bar, and many things. So, ready for school, job application, or personal branding as your website or ePortfolio. So, let's start. So now we are going to start by opening Google Chrome or your browser and make a website look like this. Yes, and even we also have ability to search in our browser and get a result like this and access our website. So let's start. Open Chrome, Google Chrome. Even if you have computer, you should also make your smartphone as computer. Open Chrome at the right corner, top on it, and click on desktop site mode. So in the Google search engine, type here sites.google.com. We see this interface. Click on new site. This is a site home page. Edit it, make it home or welcome page. This is a font size. Should also change it. Depends on what you want. And then this is in the left corner. This is the site name. Let's call it Ubalde Tech. And this is the site name. No problem. We should also add our logo. Upload it. Sorry. Upload logo. Yes, you see here, and then we should change this background of our page. Background changed. So, at the right page, at the right side, sorry, this is a page. We should also insert text box in our page. Welcome to Ubalde Official, and so on. Then come here, should insert image, drive files, and main thing or embed link. On about page, this is a home page. We're going to add another page, new page, name it services, for example. Services, and click on done. Another page, about us. Another page, contact us. Those are our pages. Home, services, about us. Yeah, for every pages is available here if you click on it, as this is a template we are editing. services. To add insert something, Xbox, okay, services, technology, troubleshoot. Yeah, we are studying. About us, contact us, insert or insert image. Let's insert our image. Insert image. Yes, image inserted, and then now website have been created. You should add your own features and full customization. Here you should add table of content, image, placed button, divider, spacer, social links, choose to be YouTube, and the other things. Your calendar, maps. Yeah, map. For example, Rwanda. Yes, satellite. Yes. Then select here map inserted in our website, and then home page and what. Now website have been created. What we are going to do now, before you must see preview before publish it like hosting. This is how our website look like in our computer, but this is in the desktop, and this is in the phone, mobile phone look like this. Yes, this is a menu, this is a search bar. So now I'm going to publish means to allow anyone to put on publicly. Publish website. This is a name, because you don't have a custom domain, but if you have existing domain, you should also use your existing domain. But if you don't have, this is your searchable or web address. Yes, then click on publish. After clicking on publish, you click on view. Yes. Yeah, wow, website created. To complete without knowledge about coding. This is a home, about, contact us, and even a map. This is search bar. Welcome. Yeah, you see, website created, the full complete. And now what next? At here, this is a link. You can share the people and visit your website. Here you should add people to help you collaborate and organize your website if it's like company. And here you should make a copy of your website as backup. So if this video helped you, subscribe, like, share your idea in a comment, and share this video for your friend to get this knowledge. Bye bye. God bless you. Let's meet in the next video.